Off we go for another adventure. This time, we're going back to Western Visayas.
No need to wait for summertime. Anywhere with you is like paradise. Feel the sun rays running through our veins. Yesterday's blues feeling miles away. Crank up the tunes on the stereo. Sending good vibes here to Tokyo. Let's roll. There's no time away. So here's to the good times. Cheers to the good life. All we need is a little.
Welcome back to NSTV Travel Vlog. At nandito na naman kami ulit sa Iloilo. At nagloro kami papunta sa port ng Hordan.
That's right, no? So, galing. In a matter of 20 minutes from Iloilo City, andito na tayo kaagad sa Port of Hordan nga, or Hordan Port, no? So, we're happy to be back in Iloilo. This is actually our second episode na dito. We had the first episode nung pumunta tayo sa Sicogon at nag-enjoy tayo sa
Gigantes Island.
Islas Gigantes.
Islas Gigantes.
Yon, if you haven't seen that vlog, we'll put the link up here. But anyway, we're excited to be here in Guimaras and we'll start our tour right now. Let's go!
Some company to feel alright. Here's to the good times.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Roca Encantada. Sa English, Enchanted Rock.
And the reason why na tinawag yan na ganun is this house is actually built on top of a rock.
Yes.
Of a hill, no? Top a hill.
Oo. At this house, heritage house, declared by the National Heritage Institute.
As a heritage house.
Yes, oo, tama.
It was actually built in 1910 in honor of Doña Prestancion Lopez. In honor of her. This entrance used to be open water, no, or too big, no? But it was difficult when they opened it out to the public na tumawid. That's why they built, they put sand here and soil para madaling makatawid ang mga bisita. Sabi nila maganda raw ang view sa taas sa mga islets, no? Sa kapiligiran.
Merong 7 islets.
So best viewed from up there. So tara, let's go check it out.
Here's to the good times.
Pahinto kami, galing dun sa bahay, yung mga offices, no? Nakita namin itong Stop and Dine Pizza House. So, nalaman natin na dito,
Ang famous na mango pizza.
at least one of the 2 places that serves the mango pizza. So, subukan na natin. Game!
Then take it higher, yeah. Clap your hands with me. Come on and dance with me. We'll celebrate. We can pop confetti like it's champagne. We'll throw it up and make it rain. No time to waste. We'll take it to the streets. Come join the parade. Come and celebrate. We can pop confetti like it's champagne.
After a delicious mango pizza, this time dito kami sa Guimaras Wind.
Also known as Guimaras Wind Farm, no? Fun fact, this is actually the only one and the first one in the whole of the Visayan region. Grabe, alam mo ba, Bob? 54 megawatt
Wow.
area to, no? And it generates about 120 gigawatt hours.
Wow, dami nun.
Grabe yung kuryente na yun. I mean, that supports 48,000 households.
Wow.
That's only telling na grabe talaga, booming talaga ekonomiya dito sa Guimaras. I mean, this is the first time I'm seeing windmills this close. Ikaw, di ba nakakita ka na before?
Oo.
Oh.
Pero kanya-kanyang beauty sila. Ito different beauty ng wind farm.
So, anong beauty dito?
Oh my God. Ito Herbie.
Tara na ba, ikutin natin lugar. Tahan natin.
We can pop confetti like it's champagne.
After flying in from Manila and taking a quick tour, it was time to check in at this newly opened resort that everybody seems to be talking about. Now here's a quick room tour.
Maayong adlaw, nandito pa rin tayo sa mango capital of the Philippines.
Guimaras.
That's right, if you recall, from Iloilo, we took Aroro, coming here to Guimaras.
Yes.
Tapos, we went immediately to one of their main attractions, which is the
Roca Encantada na tawag doon ay Enchanted Rock.
which are owned by the Lopezes. No? And then we were treated to actually visit dun sa
Wind Farm.
Wind Farm, oo, ng Guimaras, no? Very impressive. There are about 27 windmills there, but at the same time, galing, no? Because they actually support about 48,000 households. Ganun ka-powerful ang gine-generate na kuryente doon sa lugar na yon. But more than that, hanip ang scenery.
Yes, perfect timing. Nasa sunset, no? Tsaka overlooking the sea and the farm and everything.
Okay, anyway, nagutom si Bob, ang aking kasama pagdating ng after nung windmill, so dumiretso kami doon sa one of two places that actually sell mango pizza.
Mango pizza.
So, narinig na namin yung mango pizza na yan, but so we had to try it. And we did. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap.
Sarap, oo. Parang yung saltiness niya ng cheese tsaka ng sweetness ng mango, panagsama sila, sarap. Masarap.
Yeah,
The
masarap.
flavor explodes inside your mouth.
And it's very affordable. Hindi siya masyado mahal. Again, one of two places. So pag pumunta kayo ng Guimaras, magtanong kayo kung saan pwede bumili ng mango pizza. Yon. So after that, pumunta kami dito sa aming tahanan, dito sa Guimaras, which is the Mangadiwa Resort and Spa.
Resort and Spa.
Medyo ginabi na kami dumating dito kagabi. So after checking in, getting a room, having dinner, medyo na kami. Nagpahinga na kami. But today, babawi tayo.
Yeah, so meron kaming tour from here across mga island dito sa Mangadiwa.
That's right. So we're gonna start with a boat tour of the nearby islands, no? Nasabi nila hindi raw napupuntahan ng maraming tao, pero very accessible from this resort. Then after that, we'll go to another area where we'll also take another round of island hopping. Para naman makita ninyo kung ano meron dito sa Guimaras. Ano, Bob? Ready ka na ba?
Let's go.
Let's go!
Kakatapos pa lang namin dito sa Pinaluron Cave. Ang ganda ng cave, ang sarap mag-swimming doon, magtampisaw, hindi mabato.
Built in the 1890s, the Gisi Lighthouse used to help ships navigate through the Guimaras Strait. Since its decommission, a new and modern lighthouse has since been erected.
You better get down. You better get down. Better get down right now, down right now. 'Cause we got all the good times.
So, di ba galing tayong lighthouse? Ngayon naman, nakachempo tayo na isang kuweba o ang tawag nga nila, Bobby, cave. Ano pangalan ng cave to?
Kisi
Cave. Interesting to. Hindi naman siya gano'ng kalalim, pero may mga rock formations dito na feeling namin gawa ng tao. Pero hindi kami sure.
Maganda magtambay-tambay dito kasi presko, tsaka nice to sa water, tama lang yung lalim niya. Okay sa mga kids.
Sa mga senior citizens.
Kasi okay.
Bagay
Kasi wow talaga.
So nandito na tayo sa Sandbar area, no? Isa sa mga stops ng ating island hopping tour na kinuha natin from Manga Diwa Resort and Spa. Ano masasabi mo, Bob?
Ngayon wala siya. Hindi siya lumabas kasi dahil high tide ang Sandbar.
Sino hindi lumabas?
Si Sandbar.
Okay, pero masarap dito kahit mababaw. Actually, masarap pag chill. At lalo na ganito ang tirik ng araw, masarap pag swimming. Bob, go! Go swim!
Nalunod na oh.
Hindi ganyan mag-swim.
Babaw?
Swim.
Hanggang saan mo?
Ha?
Hanggang saan? Baka hanggang tuhod mo yan, Herb.
Wow! Ano ba ako? Pandak.
Picket fence with some boards like healing. Every day with you is worth repeating. Don't wake me up, 'cause I might be dreaming. Oh yeah, I might be dreaming. It's you. Yeah, I meant it when I said, isn't anybody else got me.
Dito naman tayo sa Dalumbaras. It's a beach. Finally, nakarating naman tayo sa beach. It's the final stop of the island hopping. Pero at least dito, makakapag-swimming kami finally. Let's go, Bob.
Oh.
Pull my heart back off the shelf ever since the day we met. Got me feeling like myself. Got me feeling like myself now. This is my vibe. This is my vibe. It don't matter where I'm going, always dressed to the nines. Taking over the night. Gonna get the crowd going till it feels just right. Turn it up, I can't hear it. Gotta let the people know that I got that spirit. Get hurt, you come near it. Doing my thing and it feels.
Nandito kami ngayon sa first stop namin, ang Natago Beach Resort.
Yeah, so finally we started our island hopping tour. The usual na pinupuntahan ng mga turista para may idea kayo kung ano ang mga usual stops.
Oo, ito yung usual stop nila. Tapos, nag-swim tayo later dito. Ito yung loading and unloading area. Doon ang swimming area sa kabila.
Yep, so we just got off the boat. Now it's time to explore
Natago Beach.
Tago Beach Resort. Tara!
Put us all on the map. This is my vibe.
So, meron pala ditong viewing deck. Kung saan makikita mo pretty much a good view of the island, no, or this area.
Natago Beach.
Marami. Natago Beach Resort. Marami mo makikita, nagsuswimming ng mga tao, may mga kumakain,
Nag-picnic.
may mga pahiga-higa lang, pa-chill-chill lang. What else can we see here? Merong zipline na hindi ko alam po.
Hindi zipline
Hindi
yan.
ba zipline yan?
Kuryente
pala.
yan.
Huwag kayo mag-zipline dito, baka makuryente kayo.
Kasi may parang kala mo doon ng dock off nung parang alisan ng
So, walang zipline na bawal dito. In any case, tara, let's roam around a little bit more para may idea naman tayo kung ano pa ang naitatago ng Natago Beach Resort.
Halika na, hanapin natin. Nandito kami ngayon sa Barras Cave. Ito yung papasok ka doon at doon ka lilitaw. Ano, you'll pass through.
So, nandito na kami sa Barras Cave. Masaya dito kasi pwede mo ikutan. Life jacket ka lang, makakaikot ka ng maayos. Let's go!
Oh, ito. At least kakaiba naman ito. Yung mga ibang attraction. Ito. Kuweba. Ito mahirap. Ganda.
Tagumpay! Wala lang magkita back-back ka lang.
It's a nice swim. You can even swim backwards. Actually, safer na. If you swim backwards kasi hindi kita tama. And before you know it, halos sa labas na tayo. Hindi yan buko. Si Bobby yan. Pero okay rin to. Medyo nagising tayo kasi sarap ng tubig. Ito sa mga gusto magpa-abs. Contract lang habang nagsiswimming.
be just fine. Sleeping in paradise, paradise. Fly me to the moon, I'll be just fine. Sleeping in paradise, paradise. I'm still caught inside this dream. Whatever they.
Grabe, what a day! Sobrang jam-packed.
Oo.
Diba? I mean, we didn't expect it's going to be this busy. Pero at the same time, enjoyable ang ating day 2 dito sa
Gimuras.
at siyempre in particular, Mango Diwa.
Diwa.
Resort and Spa. Anyway, let's go through basically what our favorites are.
Sige.
Ikaw muna.
We started sa Mango Diwa tour, yung boat tour
Yung
nila.
boat tour nila, yeah.
So, ang nagustuhan ko doon yung Dalong Baras.
No, Dalombaras. Anong
kasi-
nagustuhan mo doon?
Yung maganda yung beach, yung beach niya medyo malinis, maayos,
Oh.
at kalmado, wala ganong tao. Kasi very, very private. Yun napansin ko sa
Yeah,
sa
that's
Mangga
That's
Diwa
true. That's true.
boat tour.
So, yun ang gusto,
Oo,
kaya
yun.
nagustuhan mo yung Dalombar Beach. Ako naman, tanungin mo ako.
Ay nga pala, ikaw. By the way, ikaw.
Ako yung gusto ko yung Pinaluron. Yung una nating stop kasi, well, kakaiba. First of all, cave.
Oo.
Bihira tayo makapasok sa cave. I mean, we've been to some, sa Siquijor, sa Camiguin, no? Pero not a lot of places actually have caves, no? Eh dito pa, medyo may significance kasi napansin mo yung tumutulo na water,
Oo.
that's from the mountains. It's supposed to be even cleaner than mineral water. Imagine mo yun. And before, before nagkaroon dito ng water system, doon sila umiigib ng water
Wow,
to
cool.
drink, I suppose. So, it's a small space but carries a lot of history. Kaya nakakaaliw. So, ang dami natin pinuntahan sa boat tour ng Mango Diwa Resort and Spa, no?
Oo.
Pero, nagpursige tayo at lumabas pa rin tayo para i-check out yung usual na pinupuntahan naman ng ibang turista.
Dito sa Gimuras. Ang gusto ko naman doon sa pangalawang yung Baras.
Baras, pareho
Oo.
tayo.
Kasi pwede ka mag-swim, paikot doon sa parang cave, lalabas ka sa other side ng cave.
Yeah. Yeah. I think nakatulong the fact na nung nasa Baras Cave tayo, medyo mainit yung panahon eh. So, it was very refreshing to be actually in the water during that time.
The water is medyo malamig kasi nga hindi na arawan.
Oh, at saka madali lang. It's actually effortless.
Oo nga.
Kasi naka-life vest ka naman. So even children and even senior citizens, pwede. Diba?
Pwede.
And of course, we capped off our boat tours sa...
Dito sa Magandiwa.
Hindi, kumain pa tayo.
Ay nga pala, i-floating.
Oo, sa floating cottage. So,
Yan.
tip, kung ayaw nyo kasabay yung buong mundo, we suggest you go there and have lunch at 11 maybe. And like what we did, we
We had late lunch
ended
kami.
up at mga 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
2 p.m. no? Pero kung hindi nyo na kaya by 2 p.m. Kahit mga 1 o'clock, I think,
Kasi
there should be less people there.
full pack yun pag lunchtime.
Oh, pero masarap. Masarap na food. Obviously, fresh. No? And then, we of course came back here. And to our surprise, they actually moved us not out of the resort, but they moved us to another room this time. Upgrade siya eh, actually.
Upgraded.
So guys, be nice to the resort people. Be nice to the staff, management, everyone.
Ang babait. Tsaka ang babait. Kasi mababait na baltaga nila.
We had no idea. Well, we did have our bags ready, na-move na pala, dito sa family room. At kita nyo naman yung background namin. The family room is actually situated in a villa. Okay? So, apart from the family room, meron pang 2 classing rooms. Yung junior
Junior suite.
suite. Oh, maganda rin yun, no? It can fit a lot of people also, pero I think it's more for mga dalawa talaga for honeymooners. But also, if you're in the junior suite, you get access to the jacuzzi just like this one.
And may view ka
Tapos,
dito.
ano?
Pagka sunset view, pagka hapon.
Oh,
This
tapos may setup sa labas, may banda balcony where you gotta get a good view of the sunset of Himaras.
Oo, dito napaka secluded. Kayo lang dito. Parang napaka private.
Yeah. Tapos they also have a third type of room dito sa villa, yung junior suite naman.
Okay, yeah.
Diba? So, 3 types of villas. Again, if you choose any of these 3 in the villa, you get access to the pool and you get extra special views, scenery. So, meant for either small families or mga couples. Yeah? Pero, so pwede pa kayo mga private moments dito.
Yes,
They can even set up for you dinner right by your room. So, 5 stars for that. Yun!
At saka yung cocktails na kanina, mga cocktails.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos kanina, coming from the boat trip, ayun, nag-swimming ako, nag-swim. Tapos, meron silang bar doon sa may by the pool. Kanina. Di ba? Ano ka ba rin?
Oo. Tapos?
Yun, parang napaka-relaxing. Tapos, infinity pool, kaya pag kita mo yung dagat at the pool.
So, actually, we were both drinking during the time sa bar, at the same bar. Pero si Bob, nandun sa pool side of the bar.
Yes.
Ako naman nandun sa
Dry.
balcony side of the bar.
The dry side.
Oo. Pero we were both drinking. Medyo tinamaan lang si Bob. Ako, sakto lang. Yun! Tapos we had, of course, the staff, the management of
Manggadiwa.
Manggadiwa, talagang all out. They set up this special dinner table for us, no? Grabe yung crispy pata and then spare ribs with honey. Sabi namin kay chef, bahala ka na chef what you wanna serve. Ay, parehong masarap. So kung makakapunta kayo dito, best to ask the chef kung anong marirecommend niya. Yesterday, we had the mango curry naman. Okay din.
Bravo.
So far, everything's been really, really good and really, really great. Yun. Yun, I think that's what we did for the day.
Yes.
It was pretty packed. Buti na lang hindi tayo inilan. Hopefully, the weather stays this way kasi bukas,
Pool muna bukas sa morning.
ayun nga.
Mag-swimming kasi hindi ka pa nag-dip sa pool eh.
Ito.
Bukas. Tapos, anong isa, what's the other one?
the pool tomorrow. I'll
And then?
check it out. Kanina nandun siya. And then siya magmumotor, ako
Anong motor? Motor pa ikot
Sabi
dito.
yung motor.
Hindi, ano nga yun? Jet ski.
Jet ski. Oo. Akala ko magmumotor kayo.
Hindi.
Mag-jet ski kami bukas. So yeah, they have it here also. Although we are shooting this May 22nd, 23rd, hindi pa kompleto lahat. May spa service pa sila na yung rooms. Doon, you have a good, fantastic view of the ocean. Marami pa, a bar and all that, but we'll probably update na lang you on that. But for now, with even what they have, super 5-star, baby. Galing. Congrats, guys. So yun, tomorrow, more water stuff, the pool, the rain, the pool, and the jacuzzi, and the jet ski.
Siyempre, breakfast natin. Breakfast natin bukas.
May breakfast namin bukas. So, ayun guys, I guess that's it. We're just gonna lounge here. Enjoy the jacuzzi a bit, and then go back to the room because I saw a really nasty, top-notch bathtub there that I want to enjoy tonight. So, ayun. So for tonight, I guess.
So, muna.
Thank you for watching this far, and good night.
Good night. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's day 3 here in Mangadiwa.
That's right, we're heading out back to Manila today, but before that, susulitin muna natin ang araw by going to other places and attractions na hindi natin napuntahan kahapon.
Yes.
So ano?
The Sandbar.
Ready ka na? Let's go!
Let's go.
Move on a string like a marionette. That's right. I got no time to be patient. Ooh, and I can taste it. I want it now. I can't sit. I'm dancing in the clouds. What if I wanna fly? Who can stop me now? Feels like it's our time. Looking like now. What if I want it now? I want it now. Can't slow down. I want it now. You can cry to the sky when your life gets mean, 'cause there ain't no such thing as a time machine. Yeah, you'll be watching me on your video screen if you don't get your body next to me. And I don't wanna live like a silhouette or move on a string like a marionette. That's right, I got no time to be patient. Ooh, and I can taste it. I want it now. I can't sit. I'm dancing in the clouds. What if I wanna fly? Who can stop me now?
And that ends our Guimaras trip.
That's right. 3 exciting and relaxing days here in Guimaras.
Yes.
It's both our first time here, so talagang excited kami. We were so pleasantly surprised on what Guimaras has to offer.
Yes.
Diba?
Oo. Yung first day natin, we had a land tour. Punta kami sa
Roca Encantada.
Roca Encantada. And of course, the wind farm.
Yes, definitely a treat. And grabe ang scenery doon and the kind of electricity that they actually produce. Amazing.
And the food, yung like the pizza, mango pizza.
We had to try. Remember, there are only 2 outlets or stores that sell that. So, pagtanong na kayo, but we'll put it in the description box below so that it's easy for you to refer to.
Yes. Masaya. And the boat tour namin, yung mga island hopping. And
Both tours, no? Yung from the one from Mangadiwa, we had so much fun kasi hindi yun yung typical na napupuntahan ng mga turista dito. But we also went through the other boat tour.
Yes.
Na
Typical boat tour nila dito.
na okay rin, no?
Maganda,
Some
oo.
spots were really worth going to and we especially loved the lunch dun sa floating cottage.
Floating cottage.
Yan. And then we came back here and tried to enjoy as much as possible, of course, this resort. Because it is new. Guys, check it out. Mangadiwa Resort and Spa. 5 stars. Grabe.
Oo.
2 thumbs up. They're not even on full open yet. Full launch. Soft opening pa lang. Impressive
Oo,
na.
grabe. Mga service nila, tsaka yung paano sila very attentive sa mga guests nila.
That's right. Grabe ang training ng mga staff dito. You will really feel at home here. We assure you that. And of course, we'd like to thank the owners, Shian, di ba?
And Christian.
And Christian. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you very
having
much,
us.
Christian.
And a special thank you for 2 things. For upgrading us. And number 2, for actually taking the time to bring us around the island even more
Yes.
today on jet ski.
Jet ski, ayan, nangingitim pa ako.
Sobrang saya nun. Who else? Who else to take? Siyempre si Joseph. Also of Mangadiwa. Alaga-alaga rin kami ni Joseph. And of course, not only Joseph, but yung mga palagi nag-a-assist sa atin. Si Ranz, nauna. Pangalawa, si Martin. Yan. Pangatlo, at the bar,
Sa bar si
Earl.
Si Earl.
Yan, yung mga taong yan na talagang hindi tayo pinabayaan dito. And of course, every one of those people
lahat sila.
and well-trained by the general manager of Mangadiwa, of course,
Joy.
Miss Joy.
Miss
Thank you
Joy.
very much.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much. I guess we just have to thank the whole island and all the people here in Guimaras.
Guimaras.
sobrang natuwa kami. We are so excited to actually share our experience already with our friends, our audience, our subscribers. Guys, this place will not disappoint. We'll let you know about it. We'll upload, or this episode should be uploaded sometime next month, so June. No? So, ayun, I hope we didn't miss anyone. It was one delightful trip. So if you enjoyed watching as much as we did filming it, we hope you comment, share, like, and subscribe.
Yes, oo. And
Hit that notification bell
for updates.
para malaman nyo kung may bago kaming vlog na i-upload. So,
With that, I'm Bobby
and I'm Herbie of
NSTV
NSTV Travel Vlog. See you at the next stop.
Looking like now, what if I want it now? I want it now. Can't slow down. I want it now. I want it now.
Welcome back to NSTV Travel Vlog. Bag? Sino yung bag? This is a heritage house na by the... Ilan ba yan? Ano yan? This time, nandito kami sa wind farm ng... Ano nga to? Kabig... Ano nga?
Ano sinasabi niya? Ano pa
Ano mo na ako sabihin?
Caught off guard na naman siya.
Napaisip ko ano paisip ko. After nung mas kainin namin yung mango
Ano?
After nung masarap. Ito siya, mga 54 megawatt. No? And then it, oh my God, ako nawala. Then we went to
Roca Encantadia.
here from the Mango game. Yesterday, if you recall, we arrived through Port
Hardon.
Hordan. Here at Guimaras, the mango capital of the Philippines.
Guimaras.
Sige, kakalipitin kita.
The Island Hopping. Dito lang.
With Dayo from Iloilo, using a Roro through a Roro to Roro.
Row. Row boat.
Roro.
Row boat. So, we just arrived. Okay. Then, ano nga pa? We just arrived na para sa'yo. We just finished coming here.